Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Sunday, October 13th. And after a couple of days of gale force winds, we had some clouds move in, and we woke up to a very wet snow this morning. We still have to get out on the river because we have firewood that is right down there. We need to get it loaded up and brought back here. But here very soon we'll have a back trail and we'll have easy access to our wood cutting spot. But this is how it is when fall arrives in the Alaskan bush. Well, according to NOAA, the sun is supposed to be shining right now, and as you can see, pretty gloomy up there. Shell and I kind of dividing duties up as I walk down to check on boats and whatnot to make sure that nothing went wrong during the night. Cold weather headed in on us, lows in the single digits at night, and around mid-20s for the daytime highs. We'll see how accurate that turns out. But anyway, we're supposed to have sunshine today. Matter of fact, for the rest of the week. And we'll see if that pans out. But the one problem I have right now in my boat is the fact that back at the stern of the boat is about 6 inches of water, which is frozen solid. So I've got to get that broken up and out of there. And then we're just going to take these boats out of the water. One of the other projects we have going today, and I should have done this long before now, we have two 400-watt solar panels that have got to go up. The rack is going up hopefully here in the next hour or so, now that I've found the perfect, well, wintertime, summertime spot for these panels. And I hear a chainsaw going kind of far back in the back, and that must be Michelle found her a chore. She loves cutting firewood. Well, like I thought. I told everybody I'd find you out someplace. All right. She can't hear me.
I'm sorry, what?
I said I told everybody that I'd find you out someplace cutting firewood.
I don't know what made you think I could hear you above the chainsaw.
I don't know.
Is that the spruce you were talking about?
Okay. Yeah, I think.
Because this one's along this trail. And the one you were talking about, I think, you were back over there. And there is a spruce that's down back there. Because I cut some of it off while Dylan was here.
Oh, the beam is over there.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's the big one that's over there. This one is not quite wide enough. But it's dried out now and make good firewood.
Okay, well, that's the one I cut on back there.
Okay, how
You're
much?
going to have to go check it.
All right, I will go over there.
Because I did that while Dylan was here.
Ah, okay. Oh, I know the one. No, it's fine.
Okay.
I've already, yeah, I looked at it.
Okay, well, as long as this one's okay to cut up. This was not one for a beam. I was here when you cut this down.
Yeah, okay. We got it straight now.
Okay.
We sometimes lose our trees out here and don't know what we're doing.
As far as back there, I'm not going to cut any spruce. I'll let you figure out what you want to do.
Okay.
With that.
All right. Yeah, but this one you can cut up. You can limb it and go for it.
All right.
Well, the indoor project that's going on right now is our bathroom. This has been a task and a half. And of course, I'm putting down the Reflectix insulation on the floor like I did with what will be Michelle's new kitchen. And one of these days we will have the bathroom back rather than it spread out all over the cabin. But it's coming along, and I'll get the wiring done, and we'll have some light in here where you can see the finished product. Well, Michelle and I have made the decision. We are in a race against time right now. Frigid temperatures moving in beginning tomorrow and continuing. And we are going to bring the boats up on the bank. We'll have ice patties floating down this river probably within the next 3 or 4 days. We might get one more run upriver for firewood that we already have cut and stacked. But like I said, it's a race against time now. This boat has to get winterized, and it's already got dusting of snow on it. So yeah, we got to play catch up now. We do have some sunshine today, and that's going to last until late afternoon. Then we have a little snowstorm that's forecast for tonight and tomorrow. And then sunshine comes out again the next day, but frigid temperatures. So we'll see how this day plays out. Well, good morning. It's Friday. Really beautiful sunny day. Unfortunately, it's like -1 Fahrenheit, and we have a surprise down at the river.
Well, we woke up this morning to -1 and a surprise on the river. We still had another load of firewood to get, which is just going to have to wait. Ooh. And the inflatable is frozen in. Probably going to have to, I'm thinking we'll have to pull that up this bank, which we really don't like the idea. But we're not going to, I don't think we're going to be able to pull this over. Yeah. I can still see through the ice. It's not solid yet, but still. Originally we were going to stand on the back of his boat over there and just kind of pull this forward, but his boat's got to come up now. I don't know any other way to do this but to pull it up here. Winter is now winter. Even though next week it's supposed to be up in the high 40s. Go figure.
Well, we started pulling my boat up out of the water, and the way we have to do this with the bank conditions the way that they are, it's a combination of block and tackle come along. And a free-floating pulley right there. And I'll show you in a second how I hook all of this up, get it hooked to the four-wheeler, and we pull the boats up. All right, to put it as simply as I possibly can, lock and tackle to the boat. Lock and tackle with the cross rope up there to kind of hold it up as high as possible. Then the tension line comes into a pulley there. That comes over to the four-wheeler here. And let's see how well this works.
Not moving. It's not moving. I think the boat froze again. Nope. Hey, Jet puppies. Say hi, puppies. What you think? Oh, do you see the camera on you? Look at him trying to turn away from the camera.
Well, it's Saturday, and we did get both boats clear of the ice and the water, though they will have to come much further up, because once jam up occurs, then this river can come up as high as 3 feet. So boats will be affected by that if they're left this close to the water's edge. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, share it if you would, and above all, leave us a comment, and we'll catch you next time.